Run the code online or download from codegib.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a 3D bar plot in Python using matplotlib. 3D bar plots are useful for visualizing three-dimensional data where two dimensions represent the categories or groups, and the third dimension represents the values. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. For this tutorial, we'll generate some sample data to plot. In this tutorial, you learned how to create a 3D bar plot in Python using matplotlib. You can customize this plot further by adjusting colors, labels, and other properties according to your specific requirements. Experiment with different datasets and configurations to create informative and visually appealing 3D bar plots for your data visualization needs. ChatGPT.